Good morning. I'm Jen Amos at Weiss Research.
I'm Andy Myers, and this is your morning market update for Friday, December 23rd. Stocks on Wall Street opened higher, following some relatively positive economic data. Let's start with some encouraging news on consumer spending. Orders for long-lasting items like cars and appliances jumped 3.8% in November. That was a slightly better result than expected, and the biggest advance since July. The strong showing was mainly due to a 14.7% jump in transportation equipment. Excluding the transportation sector, durable goods orders rose 0.3%, and orders for core capital goods, which exclude defense and aircraft, fell 1.2%.
Another reading of consumer spending in November was not quite so positive. A report from the Commerce Department showed that it rose just 0.1%, alongside a similar advance in personal income. Both figures came in a bit shy of expectations. An American saving rate declined a bit to 3.5%. Meanwhile, a closely watched inflation gauge within the report showed no increase last month, although it's up 2.5% from last year. And the core PCE, the Federal Reserve's preferred measure of pricing pressures, is up 1.7% on a year-over-year basis, at the low end of the central bank's target rate.
Following the data, the dollar is making up some lost ground against the euro, and U.S. Treasuries are holding steady, with the benchmark 10-year note now yielding about 1.96%. Meanwhile, gold is unchanged at $1,610 an ounce, but crude oil continues its recent rally and is now trading right around the $100 a barrel mark. Keep in mind, movements in the asset markets may be exaggerated today. Trading volume is likely to be extremely light as many traders get a head start on the three-day holiday weekend. The markets will be open for the full session today, but are closed on Monday in observance of Christmas.
On the corporate front, keep an eye on shares of Shutterfly. The internet photography firm said its revenues and pre-tax earnings for the current quarter will come in much lower than previously predicted. Shutterfly blamed sharp seasonal discounts by its competitors, as well as the effects of an uncertain economy. But one of the day's biggest stock winners is Rambus, surging more than 15%. The chipmaker signed a 5-year patent licensing deal with rival Broadcom. The agreement also settles all legal claims between the two companies. That's the latest in market news. We'll be back on Tuesday. From everyone here at Weiss Research, have a fabulous weekend and a very happy holiday.